This guide provides clear instructions on how to run a new scan with assets YAML definition using the Oxo UI platform. From initiating a new scan to submitting the finalized process, follow these precise steps to effortlessly navigate through the scan setup process. To access the Run Scan page, you can either click on the New Scan button located at the top right of the navbar, or access it from the sidebar by clicking on the Menu button, and then selecting New Scan. After that, a form will appear where you can provide the necessary details of the scan. Scanner. Select the scanner to run the scan on. Click Continue to proceed to the next step. Title. This field is optional and allows you to give a title or name to the scan. It helps in identifying the scan later when reviewing results or managing multiple scans. Asset. This is a required field where you specify the asset that will undergo the scan. It could be an Android or iOS application, a web application, an API, a network, or an assets YAML definition, which we will choose in our case. After selecting the asset type, you can provide that assets that the scanner will target during the scan process. The YAML definition can include various types of assets. Android Store. Specify the package name of an Android application available on the Google Play Store. Android APK file. Provide the file path or URL of an Android APK file located on your system. Android AAB file. Provide the file path or URL of an Android app bundle file located on your system. iOS Store. Specify the bundle ID of an iOS application available on the Apple App Store. iOS file. Provide the file path or URL of an iOS IPA file. Link. Provide the URL of a web link, along with the HTTP method to be used. Domain. Specify a domain name to be scanned. IP range. Provide the IP address and subnet mask of a network to be scanned. After providing the assets for the scan, you have to select an agent group. You can choose an existing one from the drop-down or add a new one using the provided editor. Before jumping to the next step, let's first explain what is an agent group. As you might know, Oxo relies on agents to perform the actual scanning. Agents can perform a variety of tasks, including security scanning, file analysis, and subdomain enumeration. They are also able to communicate with each other to enhance the scanning process. So, an agent group definition is simply a set of agents and their configurations. This allows you to define which agents will be used and how they will be configured for each scan, ensuring that the scanning process is tailored to the user-specific needs. After running the scan, you can see that the scan is running from the Scans list page. This guide has provided clear, step-by-step instructions on how to run a new scan using the Oxo UI platform with assets defined in YAML format.